Well, welcome everyone. Today is a landmark occasion for NDY and only the second time in our history that we've coordinated a simultaneous global live telecast across our network of offices, recognising that our London team will see this on a slight delay because at the moment it's the middle of the night in London. Still, the very technology that allows me to share this moment from Melbourne to Auckland to Wellington to Perth and all of our other offices, and to be displayed on our social media channels, is one of the keys to our success. The tools that we have at our disposal today have dramatically changed, and they continue to change the way we work and deliver solutions to our clients. So in one sense, it was interesting that one of the most important items of feedback from our 2014 staff engagement survey wasn't around technology or tools or processes. It was a very strong view that NDY lacked a clearly defined purpose and vision. In other words, there was a need to clarify why we exist and what we aspire to be. And the senior leaders of the organisation listened to that feedback and agreed. So today is about addressing that gap for all of us. But before I talk about the future, it's important that I take this opportunity to reflect on the journey that has led us to where we are today. As you know, our firm was born in 1959. David Norman started small in Sydney, and with a quality and unique mechanical engineering offering, we grew and became widely known for our technical excellence. Over the years, we won work by working closely with our clients and providing them a superior service. We worked on many projects, some small, some iconic, and we focused on the best possible solutions for all of them. Every one of them was important to us. And because of our involvement in these projects, our reputation grew, and we attracted really great people to work with us. We grew throughout the 80s, the 90s, 2000s, to be a leading player in our industry. And as our business grew, so did our geographic footprint and our service offering. Today, our projects are certainly becoming more complex, and there's no doubt that our clients demand more from us. We are expected to be faster, to be better, to be cheaper, all at once. Our clients and our competitors are also more global in their approach and are addressing this, and we are addressing this ourselves, with a stronger focus on global operations, on consistent standards across our offices, transferable skills and resource sharing. So against this background and in direct response to the feedback provided, the shareholders set the task of developing a purpose and a vision as a priority action. By way of explanation, a vision is typically expressed as a statement of what an organisation strives to be and wants to achieve. In considering a vision for NDY, the shareholders were unanimous that our vision should be focused on our own people, on our clients, and that it should also reflect our desire to make a meaningful difference to the communities in which we live and for whom we develop projects. A purpose is typically expressed as a statement of why an organisation exists, its ultimate reason for being, and a focus of something beyond the organisation itself. So with this in mind, the voting shareholders came together in Melbourne in May. The meeting produced a lot of healthy debate and discussion and ultimately agreement. And I'm pleased that the outcomes reached will provide all of our stakeholders, staff, clients, shareholders, professional colleagues and the broader community, greater clarity as to why we exist and what we are seeking to achieve as an organisation. Firstly, we agreed that our purpose, the thing we are ultimately most passionate about and why we exist, is quite simply making spaces work. Making spaces work. This very succinct statement really articulates our reason for being as professional services consulting engineers and designers. It defines what we seek to do for each and every project, making spaces work. Through our efforts in engineering and design, whether it be for office buildings, rail networks, tunnels, stadia, data centres, universities or hospitals, our ultimate goal is to make those spaces work. So this very clear purpose then provided the roadmap for the shareholders to agree our vision for NDY. I'm proud to say that at NDY our vision is to enhance the lives of others by engineering outstanding projects, mindful that every project matters. To sustain deep and trusting relationships with our clients through solving their problems and serving them with the utmost reliability. And to engage our people with meaningful, rewarding and inspiring opportunities. I hope you agree that this vision statement really represents an NDY that we all want to be part of. I believe it articulates our goals and aspirations in an authentic way and clarifies beautifully what we are seeking to achieve. It builds upon and replaces our former mission statement so that now we have a very clearly defined purpose and vision, and of course these are informed by our foundational 6 key values and our ethical statement. I'm pleased and proud to present our purpose and our vision to all of you. On behalf of the shareholders, particularly given that they respond to a need identified by everyone's feedback. I believe they will assist us all to understand our business aims so that we can all work together to successfully achieve what they express. These statements will of course be included on our website, on our external documentation. You will start to see them in everyday touch points, including your email signature, your computer screensaver, your desktop, and on posters around the offices. An updated purpose, vision and values video is also in production and anticipated to be launched in the coming months as well. I'm proud of what we've achieved together as a firm to be here today, but I, and indeed the shareholders, are particularly excited about our future potential. With this, I'm looking forward to working alongside everyone on the journey. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening, and I will now go from one end of the spectrum to the other because I'm going from this presentation broadcasting around all of our groups across the globe to a CEO sleep out outside with my sleeping bag. So thank you for listening, and I'll speak to you all and see you all shortly. Cheers.